Good morning, guys!
Tuti!
We're going to
Cebu Safari! Tiger Post!
Today, we're taking you with us on our full day adventure at Cebu Safari. And we are going to see animals that we have never seen before. Let's go!
Hi, what are you eating?
Sponsored by Angel's Burger.
We're not feeling well.
Wow!
We're here!
Yay! Cebu Safari! We're here! Yes!
We're finally here in Cebu Safari! Yay! We arrived at 9:30 a.m. so it's still very early. Actually, maba pa kaayo ang queue to get the tickets, so we're just right on schedule. And yes, let's see if Tuti gets the free pass.
Kasi mangyo ba? Paano sapatos?
And since it's weekend, we have to pay 1,300 pesos, including Tuti, for a whole day tour. And we are going to ride one of these trucks to the base camp to start the tour. Let's go!
Mark is 80% walking and 20% riding shop. Good morning! Okay na kaya?
Oh, shouting. Wow!
Let's go, babe!
And we're here in the base camp, and our first stop is the Aviary Dome. Let's go!
Your first attraction is the Aviary Dome.
Dali.
Uy, apiary! Fish? Ano ba? Mga birds.
Do not shout, ha? Do not shout.
And when we got into the Aviary Dome, and we're very thrilled with the different kinds of birds that we saw. Ate Ellie and Kuya Kobe were very curious on sa mga birds ang na among nakitaan. And it's Tuti's first time to see these kinds of animals. That's why very excited kay siya. But what's more exciting is the bird feeding. Ellie wanted to try to feed the birds, and that's for 50 pesos only. And the staff will give you the tray and the food, and will assist you and give you instructions on how to feed them.
Ay, Tuti, no?
Pakan ko sa din. Ay, nagawasan na itagbalik?
We decided to see the tiger next, and while we are trying to find our way, we saw a few more animals, and we're very excited since it's our first time to see them. And we're here! Yay!
Bing bang! Bing bang! Big ice ball!
And we arrived just in time. We're a few minutes early before their feeding time, which is the perfect time to take pictures with them while they are eating their food, their snack. You can see their big mouths. chewing their food. And abtik kaayo si Papa Mo, so luckily nakauna mi og take og pictures with the tigers before naabot ang uban nga mga gator. And then after that, nag-eat na lang yung ice cream while we are waiting where to go next.
Tiger pose.
And after with the tiger and some ice cream, we were told that there's going to be a bird show, so we went right away. And while waiting for the show, here's Capybara at the side of the stadium.
Inside, turn one, buddy. Can you pick up the plastic bottle? Walk away. Jumbo. Hello, Jumbo. You can have a wingspan of 3 to 4 feet. PSI. PSI means pounds per square inch. Let's try a rooster first. Okay, now happy birthday. Last one, baby. One word on the net. Now we can rub better future generation. And before we totally end up the show, let's make sure. Alright. Keep your eyes alert to our Philippines. Hawk, eagle, Hunter. Now for our third brownie time, here comes Cloud. Truly, my name is Ernie. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the war.
Let's smile, look at me. Click mo. Okay, tanaw din ako eh. Tanaw po, puti. Tanaw ate. Okay. Wait, hold on.
And after the bird show, we are deciding if we're going to the lion or the African savanna. And while we are on our way to the pickup point, we pass by these other animals like the lemur and the monkey. We have decided to see the lion next, so stay tuned on the second part of our Cebu Safari adventure. Abangan!